Good day and welcome to my kitchen. Probably you missed some healthy sweets already. Yeah, today we'll do some ice cream. Yeah, same style like we done from our frozen bananas. It's ready. I just left it for overnight. We will do vanilla ice cream with some tiny modification. Okay, so put everything in. It's frost really hard. Right. We need to break in small pieces, otherwise it will be not possible for mix it up. And yeah, we'll add a little bit of almond milk, vegan style. Or we can do the vegetarian style today. So, if you have natural vanilla, it's really cool. Not like chemical stuff that you can buy from a convenience store. Yeah, but I know it's a little bit pricey, but smells so amazingly. Yeah, we'll do tiny modification. We will add protein powder, just normal whey powder, no flavor, no nothing. Just make it a little bit different than we do usually. Usually we can add some butter or coconut oil. We need some good fat, just a little bit. And for the decoration, I will use different kind of nuts, sesame seeds. Just smash it and put it on top to make it even more beautiful. What else we have? We have a lot of dried fruits, seeds, dried berries. We'll use a little bit of everything. Will be a lot of calories there. For now, it's ready. From blended, I think we need like about a couple of minutes, and that's it. Bananas was froze so hardly, it took about 2 minutes for blended. So I use different dried fruits and seeds for the amazing preparation. Okay, so let's see how it look like. It smell like and look like just amazing. So you can make any style of ice cream you want. You can make a coffee ice cream, no problem. Protein ice cream, or maybe pistachio ice cream, whatever. So you can choose a lot of flavors. Same you can do with the frozen berries, like blueberry or raspberry, cranberry, whatever. So basically you can have healthy, tasty sweets like this ice cream every day, and it will be different. And here, no preservatives, no sweeteners, no different colors, edits, whatever. And it smells just great. Let's try it. So good. So tiny preparation. So if question was, is possible to make some healthy, beautiful food less than 5 minutes? Answer is yes. Isn't beautiful, isn't it? If you think it's really useless video and you like it, so don't comment it, don't subscribe, don't share it, don't tell anyone. But I hope you do, and you know what to do as well. So, see you tomorrow on my training, and we'll cook something else. Something more healthy, I guess.